Hey, thank you for tuning back in to another video by BrusHstroKeZ Airbrush and Design. A few months ago, I took a House of Kolor Shimrin 2 class with Jon Koz Kosmoski, the legend, and Hetz Hetlzer and Tony Larimer at the SATA headquarters. As soon as you walk in, you get to see some of Chip Foose's overhauling drawings, along with some great artwork on these little mini hoods from artists from all over the world. So enough of my narration for now. I am just going to let you kick back, enjoy the tunes, and all the amazing artwork. And here is our classroom wall, amazing mural done by Mickey Harris. And here I caught Hetz in action, doing what he does best. Just want to take a minute here to also say big shout out to SATA Dan-Am. Their hospitality was amazing. Provided lunch and dinner for us. It was really, really great hospitality. Made sure we always had what we needed at any time. And really, really, really nice facilities as well that they provided. And this is Jay Griffin, another classmate that I met there, older gentleman that's been painting 30 some years, I think. And he really kind of took me under his wing and helped me out a lot in this class, me kind of being kind of wet behind the ears when it comes to clear coating and being the first time I sprayed any solvent paints as well. So he was a really good help. He is out of Troy, New York. He owns Quick Draw Enterprises. He does all sorts of custom paint. He is the #1 representative out in New York for House of Kolor as well. So if you need any technical questions or help or product, reach out to him. Quick Draw Enterprises. Website's quickdrawcustompaint.net, or find him on Facebook, Quick Draw Design Custom Paint. He does everything custom paint, airbrushing, pinstriping, custom factory, antique restoration, and he does specialize in Harley factory painting as well. I had such an amazing time at this event. Got to meet a lot of other great painters and artists, as well as Tony Larimer at SATA. Treated us all very, very great. Jim Hetz, wealth of knowledge. It was a pleasure meeting and working with him. And last but not least, Jon Koz Kosmoski. What an honor to meet him and to be able to work hands-on with him and receive a certificate of completion. So until next time, keep those brushes stroking.